is for apple. B is for ball, rolling with delight. C is for cat. D is for dog, playful on feet. F is for fish, swimming we find. G is for grapes. H is for hat, neat and complete. I is for igloo, snowy and bright. J is for jam, tasty and right. K is for kite. L is for lion, roaring nearby. M is for monkey. N is for nest, safe as can be. O is for orange. P is for panda, gently found.
Q is for queen, crown so true.
R is for rabbit, hopping too.
S is for sun. T is for tree, strong in the light. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, music nearby. W is for whale. X is for xylophone, music to play. Y is for yogurt. Z is for zebra, learning's complete.